Are you wanting to learn how to use essential oils in your daily life? Then check out Melissa Essential Oil. This oil has a ton of benefits that I'm sure you will find useful. In this video, I'll talk about how to use Melissa Essential Oil, how this oil works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Melissa Essential Oil is known to help improve your mood. Its aroma is very uplifting, so you can put it in the diffuser for a calming and uplifting atmosphere. Its calming and uplifting aroma can also help you rest better. Try diluting it and putting it in a bath before you go to sleep for a great night's rest. Melissa Essential Oil, also known as lemon balm, has been used throughout history to support digestion. You can dilute it and apply it to your abdomen to help support a healthy digestive tract. Melissa Essential Oil can also help soothe muscles, so dilute it and massage it on a tense area for soothing relief. So let's talk about how Melissa Essential Oil works. Some of the main naturally occurring chemical components of Melissa Essential Oil are geraniol and nerol. This chemical gives it its lemony, floral type aroma and also makes it a good cleaner. The other main constituents of Melissa Essential Oil are germicide D and beta-caryophyllene. To learn more about these chemicals, check out the blog post in the description box. So let's talk about how to use Melissa Essential Oil safely. Melissa Essential Oil is unlikely to be irritating to the skin. Just remember to dilute it. We have a dilution chart linked in the description box. This oil is generally safe to use with kids aged 10 and up. It's also generally safe to use and diffuse around cats and dogs. For more information on how to use essential oils in your daily life, subscribe to these videos. Thanks for watching. I think someone wants to get out. You can exit.